Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix driveway cracks with Quikrete step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary materials and tools. You will need Quikrete concrete crack sealant. Ensure you have a caulking gun for applying the sealant. Prepare some wire brushes or a similar tool for cleaning the cracks. A pressure washer or a hose is useful for washing the area. Choose a warm, dry day to ensure proper drying of the sealant. Start by cleaning the cracks thoroughly. Use the wire brush to remove any loose debris or old material. If necessary, use a pressure washer or hose to flush out any dirt or dust. Allow the area to dry completely before proceeding. Once dry, examine the cracks. If they are wider than a 1/4 inch, you may need to fill them with foam backer rod first. Cut the foam backer rod to fit the depth of the crack. Insert the backer rod carefully into the crack. Next, prepare the Quikrete product according to the label instructions. Load the Quikrete crack sealant into the caulking gun. Begin applying the sealant into the crack, starting at one end and working to the other. Make sure to fill the crack completely and smooth out the surface. If the crack is deep, you may need to layer the sealant. Allow the first layer to set before applying more if necessary. Once filled, smooth the surface with a trowel or putty knife. Ensure the sealant is flush with the surrounding pavement. Promptly clean any excess sealant from the driveway surface. Next, allow the sealant to cure as per the instructions on the packaging. This typically takes about 24 hours, depending on weather conditions. Avoid driving or walking on the repaired area until fully cured. Finally, inspect your repairs once complete. This ensures that the cracks are sealed and no further work is needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.